If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Self-Last Kitchen, and today we're gonna be making crispy fish fry. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, then around 1 kg of fish, and in my case it's red pomfret. Now for this recipe we will need 2 medium sized bowls such that a whole piece can properly fit in it. So as of now, take one of them and add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of refined flour. And if you don't have corn flour, you can just use refined flour instead. But let me explain why we are using both of them. That's because the refined flour will help to bind all the spices with the fish, and the corn flour will provide the crispiness on the outer layer. But if you want to skip that, you can use only refined flour. Now to that, add all the spices which I have shown just before, along with the ginger and garlic paste and some salt. Now combine these really well with a spoon, then add some water a little by little, and what we are looking for is a semi-thick paste, not too thin or thick, which can properly stick to the fish. And when that's done, set it aside and take the second bowl. So for the crispy outer layer, you will need roughly about 1 cup of corn flakes. You may need more. So just hand crush them and add that to the bowl and set this aside for a moment. Now only 3 steps left. So what you need to do: step 1, take a single piece, dip it in the paste. Then step 2, coat it really well with the crushed corn flakes. Then step 3, just slide it into the hot oil, which should be on medium to high flame. And for the portion size or piece size I'm guessing it will take roughly about 8 to 10 minutes to cook completely. So that's it, crispy fish fry with red pomfret. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.